Okay, everyone, to begin with our lesson today, teacher would like to say good morning and how are you today, everyone? This morning we are going to start the new lesson, everyone. That we are going to study the unit 10 ebook whole next chapter. So this is our lesson today. And what do you think about this topic, everyone? What are we going to talk about? Again, everyone, ebook whole next chapter. So to begin with this topic and to start with the lesson as well. So can you look at the backgrounds and can you see what is that, everyone? You can see that an object, an electronic device, which you can read the book, okay, which you can download it from the Amazon, okay, or we call Kindle store, okay. So that is an object that we are going to talk in our lesson today, everyone. You can turn your book on page 43. You will see that okay. So to begin with this, so people, in general, people love to read the book by paper so many decades. But in the 21st century, people has updated to to read the book by using a device which is not reflecting to the eyes, or which is not make the eye, yeah, like threaten, and that we call Kindle, everyone. So to start with this, ebook are changing the way people read. Even though electronic reader can be expensive, downloaded book are cheaper than paper book. So we can compare that, the original book that you buy from the Amazon, or you buy from the like at the store. They charge you a lot, okay. Some book they cost like $20 or $25, or and so on. Whereas this electronic device, yep, it is expensive, you know, but it is easy for you to download. When you download a good book into this material, it sells you a lot. Meaning that you just buy it, for the first time, and you can use it to download many books that you interested. However, a writer and publisher are concerned they might lose money. This is another controversial idea, that between the author with the and those who create the Kindle. If people love to read it by the Kindle, and they may not interested to buy a book, so the author will take time to write a book around 2 years or 3 years, and some other book they have to write like 10 years. But in contrast, the electronic device can download that book easily, and they don't need to pay for that book because of they pay for the Kindle already. So this is an amazing tool in the from the uh, Amazon store. This is created by Amazon company, everyone. So do you think that ebook will be as popular as traditional papers? Why or why not? But you yourself, whether you love to read by the Kindle, or you love to read by the traditional paper book, okay? So you can decide it. So what is the Kindle, everyone? So Kindle refer to the devices that enable user to browse, buy, download, and read ebook, newspaper, magazine, and other digital media while wireless networking. when you connect it with the wireless networking like Wi-Fi, and then you can download those, okay, like ebook, magazine, and newspaper, and you can buy online as well, because of this is made from the Amazon company, so you can buy in the Amazon company as well. So it is easy, fast, and facilitate your you know your preparation in order to bring a lot of material with you. Example, like when you have a trip to somewhere else, and you don't need to carry much book. You just install in this in this Kindle, and it sell you a lot. Okay, so we have this five vocabulary, like the word like good deal, like good deal mean good price, and censorship, a control limiting information. Censor, if you like your phone example, your phone when you use like iPhone 6 or iPhone 7 or other type, you can scan the fingerprint, right? So they use the sensor, in order to know that how your finger scan. If other person scan it, the sensor, doesn't allow it because of different fingerprint, right? Okay, and suppression mean the act of preventing something. Okay, copyright mean legal ownership of an idea or product. So, example like most video in the YouTube or movie, when you download it you can watch, but when you upload it, it it has the copyright, so you have to ask the permission from the ownership first. Okay, and number five, hearing mean a meeting in court with a judge. Okay, this is so can you remember that what word do you learn at the last moment? So we have five. Okay, so we have good deal, censorship, suppression, copyright, and hearing, right? Okay, so now move to the listening, everyone. So listen to the news and complete the notes. So today we don't need to listen to this listening, but you have to fill in the blank here by using word at the right side. Here we have like the word investigating, profit, dear, download, and paper. So in this part of the listening, you are going to focus on the three main important parts. The first one, electronic reader. So they introduce to the Kindle and how it helpful and where is it from and how much is it. Okay, and some problems. So the problem refer to the concerning between the publisher, between the the concern about they lost the money. Okay, and other company using ebook. So what companies that they use the ebook as well. Okay, so everyone, so can you start to do and complete with this? So electronic readers, handheld device, can. So after can, you have to find the verb. Okay, verb. So we have investigating, profit, dear, download, paper. So in this text, you see only two verb, like the word dear and the word download. Okay, investigating, gerund or verb ing, profit, noun, paper, noun. So can you decide whether you choose deal or download, everyone? So the right answer is download. Okay, handheld device can download books. Okay, ebooks are cheaper than books. So so you have to find the adjective or noun, because of noun can be double noun, and the noun that state before another noun can function as adjective. So you can find the noun here. So what are you going to choose it? Profit, paper, download already, investigating. So the right answer is paper books. Okay. Some problem. A writer concerned about what? About profit, about dear, or about investigating. Writer concerned about the right answer is profit. Okay, profit. A book can be shared easily, and Amazon erased 2 books from Kindle. Okay. Other company using ebooks. So what is that? Barnes Noble started ebook store. Okay. And Google have 1 million free book online. Google also met what? With writer. So met there or met investigating everyone. So number 4, met there. Okay, met there with writer. So meaning that the Google also give the good price to the writer who write the book as well. So the above one, they just focus on the concerning, right? But other company, when they start using the ebook, okay, like Google, they met there with the writer. U.S. Justice Department is investigating competition issue, right? Okay, so let teacher repeat again, everyone. For number 1, you will complete the word download. Number 2, paper. Number 3, profit. Number 4, dear. And number 5, investigating. Okay. So now it comes to the end of our lesson this morning, everyone. And see you again in the second section. Goodbye, everyone.